Hello, my name is Shujar Rizvi. I'm a mechanical engineering student from DHS Sofia University. My roll number is ME131111 semester 5. Today we are going to discuss false position or regular falsy method, which is basically used to find the roots of equation. So here we have our equation y is equals to 15x cubed plus 3x square minus 89x minus 155. The first step we are going to do is rewrite the equation using f of x is equals to 15x x cubed plus 3x square minus 89x minus 155, which is this. So our second step will be substituting values into the equation. So we substitute 0 first, which is this. After substituting 0, we obtained minus 155. Again we substitute 1, so f of 1 is equals to minus 226. Then again we substituted 2, which comes out as minus 201. Again we substituted 3, which comes out as 10. Again we substituted 4 into the equation, and the result is 497. So why are we doing this? We are doing this because root lies between one negative and a positive, a negative and a positive value. So here we have our negative value, and here we have our positive value. So the root lies between 2 and 3. First, then we make a real line, which is here. As you can see, I have made a real line, and I have defined the domain, which is 2 and 3. And at the upper of the real line, I have put the sign, which is minus sign here at 2 and positive sign here at 3. So by starting here, root lies between 2 and 3. We know the root lies between 2 and 3, which is this and this. Okay, forget about this, it will come later. So now we have to apply our formula. I will apply my formula here, which is 2 into f of 3 minus 3 into f of 2. Again, I am repeating again, 2, which is this, into f of 3 minus 3, which is this, into f of 2, divided by f of 3 minus f of 2. Okay, which comes out as we have our value of f of 3 and f of 2. By substituting the values, which comes out as x2 comes out at 2.95261. Now we put this answer which we obtained by applying the formula 2.95261. This is the answer we get from this. So now we again put this answer which we obtained into the equation, which is here, 15x cubed plus 3x square minus 89x minus 55. So f of 2.95261, which is here, is equals to, we obtained minus 5.52101, which is a negative sign. So we write the answer of x, which we obtained from as x2 on the real line here, but we don't write this answer which we obtained by putting the value of x into the equation. We just do this to know whether it is a positive or a negative, as I told you, because root lies between a negative and a positive value. So here we put the sign negative, which is this. So now the root lies between a negative and a positive value, which is positive 3 and negative 2.95264. Ignore this and the remaining, which is in between. So Again we apply the formula. We know the root lies between the here 2.95261 and 3. Again we apply the formula, which will be 2.95261 into f of 3 minus 3 into f of 2.95261 upon, which is this, f of 3 minus f of 2.95261. By applying the formula, we get another answer of x, which is x3 2.96946. Now we again write this answer of x3 onto our real line, which is here 2.96946. Now we want to know whether by substituting this value into our main equation, we will get a positive or a negative. We put this 2.96946 into our equation, which is this 15x cube plus 3x square minus 89x minus 155. So after substituting this answer, we get a negative value, which is 0.07207. Again we will not write this on our real line, which is we just want to know whether it is a positive or a negative. So again we got a negative value, which is minus 0.07207. Again we write this answer of x3 2.96946 on the real line, and its substituted into the equation value sign here on the above this equation, above this real line. So again we will apply our third iteration. Again, as we know, the root lies between a negative and a positive value, so our the recent negative value is 2.96946, which comes out here, and a positive value again is plus 3. So we will again apply the formula, which will come out as 2.96946 into f of 3 minus 3 into f of 2.96946 upon f of 3 minus f of 2.96946, which is here our formula. Again, by substituting the value of f of 3 and f of 2.96946, we will get our answer for x4, which is 2.96967. Now as you can see, I'm getting the same value, which is 2.96946, 2.9696. we are getting the same exact value till 3 digits, 0.969. So again, to make sure, I will make another iteration, which will be our x5. But before making an iteration, I want to know whether by substituting this x4 into the equation, our real equation 15x cube plus 3x square minus 89x minus 55, it is a positive or a negative. So by substituting this into the real equation, I got minus 9.08419 into 10 to the power minus 4, which is again a negative. Again we write our x4 on the real line, which is here, which is here 2.96967 here, and the sign which we obtained by substituting this answer into the equation here, which was minus 9 point something. but it was a negative value, so our root again lies between a negative and a positive, so our root lies between these two. Now again I have written here x5, so again I will let you know how to write the formula for regular falsy. So our root lies between this and this, 2.96967 and 3. So now we will apply the formula, which will be for x5. So the formula is equals to 2.96967 into f of 3 minus 3 into f of 2.96967 divided by f of 3 minus f of 2.96967, as you can see, which is written here. Again, by substituting the value of f of 3 and f of 2.967, I am getting the same value, 2.96967. So now we have to stop here our iterations here, because we have found the root. It took us 5 iterations to find the root of this equation, which was here 15x cube plus 3x square minus 89x minus 155. I would like to thank you all for watching my video. Regards, Shaja.